Hello friends, Sean from Everything Music TV, as well as the drummer in those guys, as well as DJ J5, as well as the owner of Lion Sun Records, as well as blah 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 blah. I got more damn titles that I know what to do. So it's been a year, and I bought a Alesis DM 10 MK2 Pro drum set to go on our national tour, and it's a year old now, and it's recorded half of the new album, done a national tour, and hundreds of gigs, practices. It's the only thing that I use for percussion. So yeah, a 1-year-old drum. It's had one flaw. I had one pad that just randomly died for no good reason. But I let them know, and they sent me a prompt replacement. And yeah, can't complain. Got it through Craft Music. They were super friendly. But yeah, beautiful piece of equipment. And so, for a 1-year-old drum set, let me spin this camera around. Oop, I just took a picture. How do Where's my spin the camera option? Just took another picture. Okay, well, anyway, there it is. Sort of 1-year-old. And for the most part, still looks very good. So, if any of you out there, and I'm not getting paid for this, just so everybody's aware, I paid for the drum set, and yeah, I'm not getting paid for this. I just figured it's done me well for the last year, so I would give it a review, and I don't see very many reviews online for it. And considering that it is as much of a beastly workhorse as it is, that yeah, more people should invest in one. Yeah, that was my plug for Alesis. But yeah, so if you got an extra, I think it was $1,200, and plus shipping and blah 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 blah. But yeah, it was for about $1,500. You can have one delivered to your door. They're really heavy when they get there, just so you're aware. Yeah, 1 year old, did a national tour, couple of probably about 100 gigs, actual paying gigs, plus 2 to 3 times a week for practice. So yeah, old Betsy there don't owe me nothing. But that was my review. Love it. Wonderful piece of equipment. Go Alesis. Make more cool stuff like that. And when I have money, maybe I'll upgrade.